Today I show you how you could make money with Amazon. Amazon Prime Day is around the corner and it's the perfect time to take advantage of the world's largest online retailer. And if you watch this video after Prime Day, don't worry. After Prime Day, there is the Black Friday, there is Christmas, there is Mother's Day. There's always an opportunity. The method I show you in this video is affiliate marketing. Simple said, affiliate marketing is promoting other products for a part of the sale. So if you refer a customer to Amazon, Amazon is sharing the profits with you. What you don't have to do, you don't have to create the product, you don't have to store the inventory, you don't have to do the shipping and handling, and you don't have to do the customer service. We let Amazon do this job. And these are the 5 steps we are going to cover in this video. First, how to make money on Amazon. Second, how to create your free website to host your affiliate links. Third, how to sign up for Amazon Associates, the Amazon affiliate program. Step number 4, how to get your affiliate link from Amazon. And step number 5, Amazon affiliate marketing on TikTok. And I show you also one example. Everything I'm going to show you in this video is completely free, so there's no money required to start. How to make money with Amazon. So you know the principle that we promote other people's products, so we promote Amazon products, but I want to show you quick how this is working and how they track everything. So when you're inside your Amazon Associates Central, I show you how to get that in the next steps. You have your store ID. Look over here, it's mine. And if you have an Amazon link, you have the short link, but if you go to the full link, that's the same link. And you have your ID over here. I copied it over here and see it's the same one. This is how you know that it's an affiliate link, because there is a referral ID inside. And now if someone clicks on this link over here and gets to this page and they buy the product, you earn the money. It's your commission. How to create your free website. You need a place where you store your affiliate links, because a lot of social media platforms and so on, they don't allow direct linking. If you have more products than one, it's better to build a page like this where you can have more links to click. So if you have 5 products you want to promote, you can put in the 5 links. It's easy to do. Just go to beacons.ai. It's free to use and sign up. Type in your username, click on continue and go through the sign up process. So it's really easy to do. When you signed up, you are on a page that looks like this. So over here you see this is my beacons page. I have already one. And you see over here, this is my link. And if we have this, we need this link to sign up for Amazon Associates, because you have to insert a website. And now we're going to sign up for Amazon Associate. Just go to Amazon, scroll down to the bottom, and click on Become an Affiliate. When you click on it, you will come to this site, Amazon Associates, and this is how it works. You sign up, recommend products, and you earn up to 10% in commissions. So click over here on sign up, then sign in. Just go through the sign up process and you will come to a point where you will have to insert your homepage. To do that, we go to Beacons, click over here on copy. Then we have our link copied. You go back to Amazon and paste your link over there. And to make sure if your link is working, it has to look like this: https // and the rest of your Beacons AI and your name. But this is crucial to have this, or it will not work. Then finish the sign up process and you can put in your money and tax information later. After that, you should be on Amazon Associates. Now you have your Amazon account, so this is the perfect time to hit the like button on this video. And if you got value so far, please consider subscribing. And if you really want to support this channel, write it down in the comments and let everybody know. But back to the topic, next step is to get your affiliate links. If you go here on product linking, you see this one, the site stripe. So we can go back to Amazon, and for any product, you just click over here. I take this top deal, click on it, and here is this site stripe where you can get links. So text, image, and text and image. We go over here on text and we take this link, copy it, and then we go back to our beacons page, because this is the page where we host the links, and go over here to links, add a new link, and add the URL. Then we go back to Amazon and we need text. I just copied this one, go back, title, subtitle, and paste. And now you see over here we have our link. Then you see it that there is a text, there is a placeholder. So I go to the text and I write here, shop my full Amazon findings. For example, you can put in another text, and I have over here, I put in this text. This is a disclosure that I'm an affiliate, and you have to always make an affiliate disclosure. So you can copy this text if you want. And now we have one product, but if you want more links, we go back over here to links, add a new link to the bottom, go back to Amazon, search the product we want. I just go to the home, to this light that we had in the example, go over here, get link, text, click on it, copy the link, go back to our beacons page and paste the link. Then I go back to Amazon, copy, and I don't take the full text because it would be too much. And we have this one over here. And if you want more links, just continue to do so. And in the later step, when you promote the products and you have more products that you promote, just add them in at the top. It's over here, add link to the bottom, or add new link to the top. Or you can change it if you want. Now this is ready to promote. If we copy this one and I paste it over here, this is how the website is looking at the moment. And if someone clicks over here, it's the Amazon link. There should be somewhere over here inside, you see it, my ID. So this is working. If someone is buying this product, I would get a commission. And now to the most important part, TikTok. We need people to see our offer and we need to get in front of the people. And TikTok is a very good opportunity at the moment, and it's really easy to create short little videos about the product. You get an example a little bit later. Just Google TikTok, or if you have already an account, go to TikTok and sign up. And a good way to grow your following, because you need 1,000 followers before you can put in a link in your bio, is to model after other people that are doing the same. So not copy them, but model after them. Make the kind of videos they are doing and learn on your way to get your 1,000 followers how to make good videos and videos that people want to watch. And if you have your 1,000 followers, you can put in a link in your bio. My link over here is not showing. I don't know why, but TikTok is a mobile app, so it's everything on the phone. There is perfectly fine. And to get your 1,000 followers very quick, just tell this or write this at the end of your video. For example, follow for more Amazon products you never know existed, but you need to have. And people will follow your account. And if you have your 1,000 followers, just edit your profile, but you have to do it on the app, on the mobile version. Go to Beacons, copy your link over here, and insert your link in TikTok. Then you are set up for success. And this is one example channel that does the strategy I just showed you in this video. So she has a TikTok channel. Here is her bio where you can follow her. She doesn't have a Beacons page, but she has a link tree. It's the same. And now I'll show you one example video. All she's doing, she's taking the product, unboxing it, and showing how it works. And you don't even have to show your face. You never see who she is. She's just showing and making a mess and so on. I think you get the point. So videos like this, I think, are really easy to make. You can make them with your phone. And she got almost 36 million views for this product. And if you go over here to the link tree, you see it's almost the same like we did on our beacons page. She has a lot of products over here. And if you click on one, you get to Amazon. And over here somewhere is her affiliate ID. And if you want to do this strategy, just model after videos like this. Search for the hashtag TikTok made me buy it, and you see a lot of examples. And now to the money part. If you want to succeed with this method, you need a lot of sales because Amazon is just paying a small percentage. But if you want to earn commissions from $1,000 and more, watch this video next. Watch the whole video. This could be the opportunity of a lifetime. It's a review for an affiliate program my mentor Brian did. And in this video, he explains all there is to make $1,000 commissions.